Hey everyone, welcome back to Seaport Mike's Automotive channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like and share my channel. Today we got a 2005 Hyundai Elantra. We're going to be doing a tune-up, simple tune-up on this model. It happened to be a 4-cylinder. It's a 2.4 liter. First thing first, I'm gonna start with the first one over there. We're gonna pull the wire and plug out. Have new plugs, NGK from O'Reilly's. Come pre-gap, I believe too. I'm gonna double check. And the box ignition wires. The only thing you're gonna need, and you're gonna need a 5/8 socket and an extension. But this happened to be a kit that came in my tune-up kit. So you got a little swivel, a wobbly universal at the tip. So it's going to get this job done. Simply twist and pull up, it'll come right out. I already broke this one loose, the first one, so pretty worn, not that bad though, but some of them are worn, some of them not. And these is pre-gap, by the way, so simply put it back in I got a magnet socket. Some of them come with a rubber, but the magnet way better because it'll hold it. It won't fall out. Simply thread it back in. Do not cross thread. Can't stress this enough. Thread it by hand first. Then snug it. Don't over tighten it. 1, 2, and 3. Do not over tighten it. Just like that. Take the old boot off, spark plug wire off. And simply match it up with the new one. See how long that is? Look like it's gonna be this guy. So simply put it back where it was at. Press. Connect. Easy as 1, 2, 3. A baby can do it. Just move to the second cylinder. Pull out straight, just like that. See, that one is worn bad. That's how you check your plugs. You see the little they call it a little macro light right there, if you can see on the camera. I mean on the video. That's worn. How you want it looking? It's like that. You see the little Sharpie tip? Call it micro. not over tight. Snug into you till it bottom out, and you will feel it get tighter. Just stop right there, just like that. Pull it out. Match it up. Like it's gonna be this one. Simply put it back, plug it back in. Boom. Not bad. Do the same other ones the same way. Oh, thought I had it. There we go. Same thing. You already know this one go right here because the shorter one is the last one you're gonna use. See? And you already know this one gonna be the third one. Simply. It's not hard, guys. Y'all can do it, I promise you. Right in your driveway. Last one. Last plug. Like so. Easy as 1, 2, 3. All right, there you got it. If I miss anything, please link it down below. And make sure you like, subscribe, and do what you got to do. And if I miss anything, please leave it below. All right, see me on the next. Peace.